Okay, today we're going to take a look around this Yamaha Fazer 8. It's 2013, it's one former keeper, it's got good service history with it, it's had a full HPI check and it's all clear, it's also had a full government mileage check. We're going to grab the camera now and we're going to take a close look round all around the bike for you.
Right, let's take a close look. This does have a good service history. It's got plenty of receipts in the book pack, and it's also got the service book stamped up. This also does come with the spare key and the spare red key as well. As you can see, the engine is looking nice and clean. It's in good condition for its year. This it's a 2013, so it's 7 years old, or nearly 8 years old now. As you can see, the fairing there, nice condition. It's got the visor on the top as well to keep the weather out. Large headlamps on it. Forks looking good. Tyres looking okay. It's got the twin disc brakes on the front. All the plastic's looking good. Mirror's okay. Again on the left hand side, everything looking clean and tidy. Got the large aluminium box frame on this. You can see some carbon protectors on the side of the tank there. A high gloss white finish. And the Yamaha protectors there, the tank protectors on the side with the FZ8 on it. The logo. All the pegs looking good. No marks on those. Chain and sprocket looking good. Seats looking good as well. It's a nice condition bike this for its age. Back tyre looking good. Again, it's got the rear discs on it. And we've also got the standard can on it there, and an R&G rear shock cover, keeping all the dirt and weather out of there. Right hand side of the engine again, everything looking nice and clean. There's a tank on that side with the carbon protector as well on there. There you go.
Okay, let's take a look at the controls on this. Pretty standard layout on this. You've got your starter, your kill switch on there. Over on the other side you've got your lights, indicators, horn, hazards. You've got an adjustable lever on that side so you can adjust the reach on it. And what I'll do is I will turn the ignition on. Let's have a look. It's got a digital display on this and the mileage is 27,562. Okay, I'm just going to start this up for you so you can hear it run. And there you go, that's the Fazer 8. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything of a close-up or anything you think we might have missed or something you want to see in particular, we can do that for you. We can send it to you over on WhatsApp. If you'd just like to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you can call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.